You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this phrase from Arabic once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, stay tuned. Arabic pronunciation: La ilaha illallah. La ilaha illallah. How to pronounce in English, therefore: La ilaha illallah. La ilaha illallah. From Arabic: La ilaha illallah. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.